At ano naman po ang age qualification na pwede po mag-apply dito? Ang pasok po dito guys, which is yung 18 to 60 years old. Ang 56 to 60 years old po guys ay kailangan nyo lang po magdala ng medical certificate. Kailangan po guys fit to work. So yan po guys no. At ano naman po ang mga requirements na kailangan po nating i-prepare before po tayo pumunta sa Lee Pavilion Metro Park Area CBD, Pasay City. Ang number 1 po na requirements po dito guys, which is yung existing non-professional driver's license, 6 months and above ang validity. Number 2, no LTO violations. Number 3, 2020 and above motorcycle year model. Number 4, BIR tax identification number or TIN number. Number 5, motorcycle ORCR. Number 6, NBI clearance. At number 7 naman po, ay kailangan nyo lang po magdala ng 1,000